What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Big Money Mindset YouTube channel. Today's video, we're going to be going over some highlights on the Bft Paysafe merger. Most importantly, we're going to be taking a look at the charts as well as options I'm playing, and I will give you option recommendations as well. Once again, I want to say congratulations to everyone that signed up for the Patreon. The link is in the description. This is my VIP call options group. I do call option listings 4 times per month, every Sunday. I just recently 10x my investment on NEO options. This was an amazing play that took months to develop. This was a call option I was recommending inside of the Patreon, and dozens of other people 10x'd along with me. There's a ton of upside inside of the Patreon. If you do sign up today, I'm going to send you my top 5 watch list for companies that I'm buying and recommending right now. All you got to do is shoot me a DM. So read up on the summary and see if the Patreon is a good fit for you. Once again, I want to say congratulations to everyone that signed up for the Patreon. The link is in the description. I really do appreciate all the support. But as you can see, I was asking people, how are the Rocketfuel option gains doing? Percentage in dollars don't matter. I just hit a 1,000% gain on NEO. You can see people are doing very well. John, 148% on Open Door, 500% on NEO, 330% on Palantir, 325 on Tattoo Chef, 210 on NEO, 125% on Open, 140 NEO, 954% gain on Plug. So people are doing excellent. Be sure to read up on the summary, and we'll get into the video with why I'm so bullish on Paysafe Bft Spac merger. So guys, this is just my Robinhood account. I do have 2 other accounts, Webull, a TD Ameritrade long-term growth stock. So this is just what I'm doing for options. As you can see, we had a nice little gain today, 4% up. $2,300 for the week. We are up 7 grand, 3 months. We're up 28 grand. So we're doing pretty solid overall, making some nice gains, slow and steady. I want to take a look at the Bft Paysafe merger. Guys, I have done multiple videos on this company. So if you want a full 100% in-depth analysis, be sure to take a look at that previous video on my YouTube channel. But right now, we can see we had a nice 7% gain. This is a company that I have been recommending, and we could take a look at the 3-month chart, and we can see it was announced right around December 4th, bounced all the way up to $16.30, and made a drop all the way down to $14.45. So it looks like the company is continuing to finally build up some steam. Just this recent week, we have seen one of the biggest run-ups, $16.15. I'll show you guys some of the options I'm playing on this company. Right now, it's a very early time frame. Don't forget. You can see I have purchased 9 contracts. We have April calls as well as July calls. So understand the company was announced in December, guys. So if we talk about April, that's given us like a 5-month time frame of the merger going through. They did say that the merger was going to go through Q1 of 2021, but we're just backing ourselves up just in case. We do have July calls as well, but I do think this will go through before April, at latest, maybe mid-April. So I did purchase some $12 calls as well as some $20 calls for July. So we do have a wide variety of call options. This is what I preach, guys. Long call options to give you guys that cushion for the companies to ramp up and start making those rocket fuel gains. As you saw inside of the Patreon, tons of other people are doing very well right now. We just came off some 1,000% gains with NEO. I do expect this to be my next rocket fuel option in the next couple of months. It's all about patience. As we can see, we're doing pretty solid already, up 18%. This company looks like it's on an uptrend, but I do expect this company pre-merger to hit, that $25 to $35 range very easily. And, I think, we might have a little dip post-merger sell-off, of course, but I really expect this company to ramp up after the post-merger sell-off. I think this one can go for years, guys. I'm talking $100, $200 plus. Once again, I just went over my previous video. There's multiple companies out there hitting 10x. Shopify went from $100 to $1,200 in 2 years. That's a 12x. Roku, $20 to $400. That's a 20x. As well as Square in 3 years, $20 to $220. So that's another 10x. So guys, the 10x's are definitely possible. I just want you guys to understand that it's all about patience. As you can see, guys, these companies take months and months to develop. You don't want to be a day trader. You're going to have way higher risk on your investment. So just stay patient and remember, time will tell in these great companies. The bears will always lose. the good companies will always prevail as long as you have patience. All right, we'll get into the video and go over a little bit of highlights on the Paysafe Spac merger. So guys, this company does predict $103 billion in total volume for 2021, 1.5 billion in organic revenue, 11% organic growth. As we can see here, we have proprietary integrated solutions. As we can see, Paysafe digital wallets, number 2, global stored value digital wallet, number 1, Paysafe eCash iGaming network, and Paysafe integrated processing, number 4, independent merchant acquirer in the US. The companies they're working with right now are just amazing companies. As we can see, we have DraftKings, Fortnite, Twitch, Spotify, guys, the list goes on. They are working with amazing companies right now. We're going to take a look at some highlights that are just recently coming up. Paysafe's Neteller launches new business and consumer features. Digital payment service enhances business portal for merchants alongside fresh new look and feel, upgraded mobile app, and other consumer features. Neteller, the digital payment service from Paysafe, a leading integrated payments platform, has launched a raft of new features to enhance the user experience for both its business customers and consumers. Neteller merchant customers can now benefit from upgrades to the Neteller business portal, including enhanced transaction history reporting and the ability to access multiple wallets, operations, and data easily, all from a single place. The enhanced portal provides an optimum user experience. So guys, they're making adjustments to their business model. As we can see, we have another headline that just broke out. BetWild Sportsbook integrates Paysafe unified payment technology. Integrated payments platform Paysafe has partnered with BetWildwood, the official online sportsbook of Wildwood Casino in Colorado. Under the terms of the deal, BetWildwood would integrate Paysafe's unified payments technology as well as income access, Paysafe's marketing technology and service provider. The alliance is neatly timed to help elevate the BetWildwood affiliate program launch as it seeks to grow its user engagement and marketing capabilities. So guys, you have to understand the sports book and sports betting is a very new business to the US market. We can take a look at their investor presentation. This is a market they are targeting heavily. Once again, they are a proven leader in iGaming and well poised to be successful in the highly attractive US iGaming market. We can see the US iGaming market right now is $3.4 billion as of 2019, and it is expected to have a 52% compound annual growth rate to $47 billion possibly by 2025, guys. So this is a company that can run forever inside of the iGaming market. 60 plus US iGaming customers. DraftKings is one of the big sports betting companies out there. I am invested in DraftKings right now, and those companies are just getting started as far as gambling, inside of the United States, becoming more and more accepted, in different states. So it's just a matter of time before sports betting does blow up, nationally in the United States. They plan to continue winning in high growth and profitable markets, leading digital commerce products and APMs, single integration, global footprint, risk and regulatory management, banking relationships and licenses, digital consumer relationships, guys. These are amazing companies right now. As we can see, Roblox, Fortnite, Stadia, Twitch, Spotify, YouTube. The list goes on, guys. There's so many different opportunities this company has of getting, their hand inside of that cookie jar. It's just amazing fintech company, and I'm very excited, for what they have in store, for once this company finally does merge. I think a lot of big whales will be buying into this company very rapidly when they see the upside potential for the years to come. So guys, this is one of my 3 portfolios. I have, options trading, long-term growth stocks. This is just a smaller account I'm working on right now. I add a little bit of money, when I see opportunities for companies that have a lot of upside. And as we can see right now, if you just take a look, I'm pretty much 95% in the green. I have one company right here, the Gig Capital 2. This is the UpHealth merger. I'm down like $5. But besides that company, guys, as you can see, I time companies very, very good, as far as, when to get in. As we can see, a ton of different companies right now. As we can see right here, we got Roku, Peloton, Green Power, Square, Overstock, Nano, Fully Trust Me. Looks like it's one of my biggest holdings inside of this portfolio, and I have another $2,000 inside of Robinhood. See, I'm very bullish on this company, guys. I have $6,000 almost invested. This company has not taken off. This portfolio will go to the next level. If this company, does gradually move up the next year, I'm very excited. Have a ton of NEO stock I have not put in here, guys. Another $30,000-$40,000 in NEO stock that I have in different accounts. So I'm just building this one up very slowly. But as you can see, I do time my buys pretty solid. We're up pretty much on everything inside of this portfolio. It's growing very nice. 23 grand into 36 grand for this one, nearly $12,900 profit, 55% gain. That's very solid compared to, financial advisors out there, averaging 5 to 7% returns. We're absolutely killing the average gain inside of, TD, Chase, bank advisors. So it's all about timing when you get in these companies. As you can see, I've been building this portfolio up very slowly. That's what it's all about. Having patience, holding for the long term. And fully trusting is one of the biggest holdings inside this portfolio, nearly $6,000 plus $2,000. And I do plan on exercising a couple of my call options, which I'll show you guys, a little different game plan I have, to get a bigger holding, for this company inside of this portfolio. What my game plan is for the fully Trasimene, if we do get into that higher price range of $30, $35 plus, I plan on exercising maybe 2 of these calls, getting another 200 shares inside of the stock portfolio for the TD Ameritrade for the BFT. That'll bring it up to like 10 grand because right here, this is what I told you. I have about $2,000 worth of BFT and the Robinhood right now, and we are up about $567. I got 158 shares here, so I do plan on exercising 2 calls, bringing me to $10,000, right around a $12 average pricing. I think this is going to do absolutely amazing for the next 6 months to 2 to 3 years. I plan on 10xing on this company, and I want you guys in on my next 10x investment as well. Just like the NEO stock, there's a ton of upside. I'm going to give you guys my top 5 buying opportunities right now. These are companies that are going to be doing very well in the short term as well as the long term. So be sure to read up on the summary and shoot me a DM if you feel the Patreon is a good fit for you. But I had to bring another video to your guys' attention as fast as I possibly could. It looks like the company is beginning to take off. I want everyone in on this company as soon as possible. I think this one is going to run, forever for the years to come. So it's great to build a position right now at such an early time frame. $16 range is nothing compared to what this company could be worth in the future. So make sure to do your due diligence. Be sure to look at my other Bft Paysafe video if you have any other questions. I did a great in-depth analysis on the entire investor presentation. So I was just giving you guys some brief highlights on this company right now. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. Bft Paysafe Spac merger is going to be an amazing company. Once it merges, there's going to be some big whales loading up on this one, and I think you can make some amazing gains in the short term as well as the long term. Once again, it's all about patience and timing, especially on the call options. If you can put those 2 things in place, you're going to hit it big in the near future, especially in 2021. There's so much upside inside of the stock market. My name's Kyle. This is Big Money Mindset. I hope you have a great day.